Hello guys, but I just got great news. Look at this. Notice something? I just got Crazy Macho. After so much tries, I got Crazy Macho. See, I'm gonna show y'all that I really beat it. I'm not lying, guys. I beat it. Yeah. I beat it. Now I have Crazy Macho. Look at this. Look. Wait, it's gone. Wait, guys, I was being for real. Oh, I get it. So once you beat it, it's gone. I'm gonna test it though. So we go here. Let's get my anti-angel loadout. Oh shit, ow. Let me get my anti-angel. Yo. Let me get my anti-angel. Alright, I got my anti-angel. So let's go. Pope. Para ba boom. Alright, let's try. Let's try with Crazy Macho. You got this, Crazy Macho. I believe in you. But that guy's fucking. Wait, that was kind of legit. Oh yeah, get knocked back. So small. I bet there's gonna be a monkey. I believe. Yo, chip! Oh yeah, I knew it. It's gonna be a chill. Where's our reactive pack? Oh my god, I'll make him die. Oh no, I put out Bahamut. You don't need Bahamut. You see that? Three clip back. Clip bro. This and this. Got combo, bro. Nah, that's crazy. That was way too much. That was too much. That ain't even that combo. Oh my god. This is so hard. There is out to stop. We are out to stop. Yo, we are so scared. Oh shit! Get your ass Papa. Go on. Big ass. She got big ass. No lie. I wonder. Wait. I don't have any. Let's talk with you. You are good. Oh yeah. Super rare cards can be. Man, this is stupid. I need level 30. Where? Not level 25. Where? This is stupid. I need XP stage. No, not that. Okay, we're gonna do this. Oh shit, let me get my main. Yeah, that's my game. I'm probably gonna die. Probably. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Yo, Ted, you know what that is? What the fuck is this? Grandpa's cheating. Grandpa, get the fuck out of my room. Oh my god. Let me see my cat foods. Nice. What seeds do I need? Alam mo, huli ako
Naka-YouTube eh.
Eh, kay Edeline siya may gusto. Oo na. Coronavirus. We're gonna go to the park. Anyone excited? I bet I'm gonna chop it. What the fuck is this? Nah, what the hell is this? Spamming! Not spamming. Fucking camera. Not us spamming. If you show up, you're not gay. I guess Ship is not gay. Doge is not gay. So okay. If someone doesn't show up, they're gay. Show up! Oh shit, no. Okay, Raccoon. Raccoon. Okay. I bet I'm gonna get this. Yeah, wait, I got this guy, fun shrimp. I'm gonna win. Yo, why my Cuba low? Yo, grinding the moon. We're grinding the...
Kasama pa rin ang guestos na si Ashley Betong at mga social media personality at artists na sina
We're grinding the moon. What the fuck? Alright, you're gonna spam, I'm gonna spam too. Alright, let's see your smart there. We got wet. Alright, you Wait a minute. There we go. So that is so. Now y'all cannot be fucking, you know. I find it. Oh, it's so fucking boring without the music, but I like it. Oh, so flipping silent. Alright, what the fuck is happening? Hacker cat? Hacker cat? Oh shoot. Yo, that's not fair. You cheating. You're cheating. Nuh-uh. Not today. Ah, you guys cheating. Cheating. You're cheating. Oh shoot. Nice shot. I got a direct hit. Y'all messed up with the boy. What the hell? With your boy Sama. Oh shoot. Hacker cat, you got this. I miss the sound, but I don't care. Boop. Bang! Wait, why are you putting butterfly cat? If she cannot do even damage. Wait, oh, for guys, only for angels. Fast. Holy shit, the bridge fall. Okay. Easy peasy. No. Don't touch me here. This is my nono square. No, touch me there. This is my nono square. No, touch me there. This is my nono square. No, touch me there. This is my nono square.
Sa lakas po ng tubig, nabitawan ko rin po siya. Ang mga estudyante, inaanot pa sa informal. Dali-dali po.
No, it's my square. No. Come on! No, this is my nono square. This is my nono square. Got to fucking keep. I challenge you, growing queen. I challenge you, queen. I challenge you, queen. Queen. There's nothing. Was it supposed to be something? Yo, I got my crazy macho cat if you not shut up. Yo, motherfucker. Shut up or I throw the holy water.
Ako din humihingi ng tulong. Tapos pinilit ko po.
Easy 1v1.
Kaya, pinilit ko po bumangon.
No, this is my no square. I want this motherfucker. Yo, bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. Yo, you're spamming a lot of birds over there.
Apat lang po dun yung madalas ako
Yo,
nakikita.
you need to
Yung
chill.
tatlo po,
This is not bird season.
siguro, then the rest naman po is
Yo, this is not bird season.
7 student na si Marjon na
You're dead.
balian ng braso.
Goodbye.
sakto siya, naitukod niya yung kamay niya.
Oh shit. Yo, that's a lot. Yo, you don't need to spam. Yo. Yo, chill out. This is not spam season, man. Wait, you're easy. I'm laughing like an ibon. Die. You die.
Sa splenectomy para tanggalin ang pumutok na pali o spleen sa loob
Die.
ng kanyang tiyan. 7 araw matapos ang operasyon, nakauwi na
You
si
die.
Andrel. Sa investigasyon
Oh,
ng mga
shit.
otoridad, overloaded ang tulay. Kaya ito bumigay. Ang talagang capacity lang kasi ng tulay hanggang 5 tao. Samantalang ang mga tumawid na estudyante umabot ng halos 40 o 40. Ngayon po po,
This is so easy. I knew I was not gonna struggle. I'm talking. Wait a minute.
Ginawa naman namin ang lahat with all the precautions, advices, tapos
I'm gonna call the government of this game.
huwag silang sabay-sabay dun sa bridge.
sa gitna ng anumang palaro o pagdiriwang sa mga eskwelahan, dapat magkadugtong ang kasiyahan at kaligtasan.
Alright, this is not fair.
Pag ito,
This is more this. We need more mixed.
Dahil sa mga balita at kwentong dapat,
I'm done. See you next in the video.